video.
Okay, and you can stop all that.
What? I'm doing a bacon video.
Okay, do a banger video.
What's up? It's your girl 19 now with a bacon video. Got no money, ain't nobody hit it with this video.
Ugh, get paid.
On that lipstick.
I can have on lipstick all I want.
You look ugly.
Okay, I can look ugly. Boy,
What it do?
uglier.
It's your boy Dante Gang, and we back with another video. You know I got the little your cut, G. So-called shooters in the back.
Okay, period.
But look, I'm gonna take over. It's just Niger video.
Oh no, baby, that's not what we do over here. You can start all it. You can start all it. Get off my bed, baby, this all this, baby. What?
Go, start it. Look, girl.
Baby, what it is, what it do. It's your girl Natty, and I build another
With another video. And today we
Yo, stop screaming, nigga. What?
Hey, shut up. Shut up.
Yo, how are you talking, sir? Like, do
You
you see
back to
this
me?
brother?
Just have funny might don't be the house.
Okay, but you're not in this house because they're asleep and they have work tomorrow.
But I could do that.
No, you can't. Back up off my camera. Did you pay for that?
Yes, I
Baby,
did.
this camera was $2.
I bought you that for Christmas.
Baby, this camera was $2. Back up.
I bought you that for Christmas. So you po now?
Baby, you need. What the freak just happened?
I threw the what you call it up there and the spin hit my head.
What?
The remote, I threw it up.
What remote?
That go to that. I threw it, I was playing with it, didn't hit my head.
Where's my remote? Find my remote.
It's over there. That ain't even, you're not even worried about me, look.
I'm worried about you, but hold on. What is that? That was just on the. What is that on the floor?
Nut.
Give me my remote and stop throwing my stuff up. I don't know what you think it is.
Okay, that's
But
it.
don't be throwing my stuff up, baby. You want this alcohol on your face?
On my hand. Come on, you're not even doing a good vlog.
I'm trying to do my vlog.
What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your
Shut up. Go do your own vlog. Go start your own vlog. Okay, so period, y'all. So let me tell y'all something. So Thanksgiving is like in 2 days. Thanksgiving is
Actually, it's
like in,
tomorrow, little girl.
Thanksgiving is like in 2 days, baby. It's 9 something o'clock on a Wednesday. I mean on a Tuesday. It's a Tuesday, okay, and Thanksgiving is 2 days, baby. So therefore, baby, no eating until Thanksgiving comes, baby.
That's something you can't do.
Oh, baby, I know 'cause I love to eat, but baby, guess what?
Girl.
But baby, guess what? Baby, you can start talking about me. You can start talking about me. Start that little vlog, 'cause I don't even know who you think he is or what.
What's up, Southern Gang?
This how we get it. Look, all this noise, like, baby, they ratchet.
We finna get lit.
Baby, they ratchet. Like, look at him copying fun of my stuff to my own gang, baby.
Yeah.
Only fun of my stuff on gang.
What's up tonight, gang? We finna get lit. On.
I don't ever say no tonight gang, so stop saying it. Stop saying it. Don't jump.
It's tonight. It's
I don't say this, so you need to start. You need to bet, or I don't know what he's talking about, but what it is would do is your girl not getting a bet with another video, and it's just on wet, it's on perk.
You reached the wrong
Look at it, just crazy. Stop changing my stuff.
I was seeing if it worked.
What happened? What was that?
I was seeing if it worked. You was getting mad at me.
Get the word,
Because he
baby.
threw it up and all this stuff fell off.
What stuff?
This flew out and that flew all the way over there. What's up,
What?
guys? We tuning in today's vlog. And
You
today,
know what?
it's just a vlog.
I can't deal with these ratchet people. Like,
Oh my God, guys! Look who's here today. It's just Nija. She's here. But we're not just gonna look at her today. It's just a vlog. We're gonna show y'all what we doing.
child, you don't even know how to vlog for the YouTube, girl.
It just hold on right here. It just hold.
Baby, he's showing my room like he done bought this room, baby. You know I spent about 10 racks on this room. You know I spent about 10 racks, period. Yo, they not reacting because I'm ratchet in general, bro. I'm just put more of this on. Cause I ain't do the most like get the hoop earrings, baby. Cause baby, I got hoop earrings, but I don't know that yet. Like, I'm gonna try to keep acting Ratchet to see how they fake. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna make me look on them. Watch that gonna come in. Right. Girl, I mean, whatever you shake that booty, yeah. Cause who know me? I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them. I'm not one of them.
Oh look, we just found the fake gamer guy.
Oh my God, it's a lot going on.
Everybody, go subscribe to this channel.
I'm better than you at Fortnite, right?
Baby, go subscribe to these channels.
Go subscribe to this channel.
Their channel name is in my last video. I'm not saying it.
I don't have a channel.
Okay, today's vlog is going to mostly just be about.
Can you get up in my closet? Can you get up in my closet? Can you get up in my closet? Cause baby, I don't know who you think you is, but guess what? You don't belong to my closet. Baby, my closet is luxury. My closet is luxury. Baby, you're very much 50 cents. Baby, my closet is very much 2,000. Baby, for real. Look at him slamming doors, like, girl. Y'all, it's 10 o'clock. I mean, I don't even know what time it is. It's either 9 or 10 p.m.
Dang, why you gonna pause another video? Dang.
Bro, like, why'd you post this video? Why you always posting that video?
No, he did.
What he did?
He stopped the video. He started it
Oh
over.
my God, like, that just, he just always wants some annoying stuff. Like, just stop. Like, just stop.
You for people together.
He don't have that thing. He don't have an iPhone.
That's why you can no, it's an app where you can download.
Okay, who's you yelling at?
But that's not you. Can you yell at me?
Ain't nobody yelling at me. I'm being mean.
You know you don't even act like that.
Baby, I do be acting like this. I don't know what you think it is, but baby, I do be acting like this. Oh my God, like, why he always doing that to you, bruh?